how to create contact group on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today, I'll show you how to create a contact group on your iPhone in simple steps. This is a great way to organize your contacts, whether it's for family, friends, or any group you want to keep together. So let's dive right in. So first things first, go to your contacts and then tap on the list option on the top left corner. You'll see something like this. Now tap on add list. Here you see an option and then you can either choose it to cloud or email. And now once I have kept the group name, I'll tap on it and then I'll tap on add contacts and then I'll choose my contacts. Now I'll just tap on the mail option on the top, and in this way I can send messages to everyone in the group. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.